you stopped
just now, like half an hour ago.
Oh.
I'll just get angry.
Yeah, like what?
And they'll
Oh, dude, you stopped. Wait, it's not everyone.
6. 5 all the way up to 6.
Oh, yeah, you're good. This cat's been out.
No, just because it's like, oh, I don't just scratch it. It's like, yeah, okay, come on.
Where my default tower.
Like, if it goes any further,
There's so many works over there. So the W7 is still on the library on the.
No shot she did that. Wait, what did you say to her?
But when the road,
she had a music
yeah, when the road works is done, the road will be like.
Oh.
So she didn't have to like.
Yeah. Wait, they left school?
No, to do a music lesson.
Oh, yeah.
Doing road works all over.
Oh, snap, that's
Like
actually
road
wild.
London is in.
You know, scenic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see it.
Yeah.
Oh, when it went like that way.
That's mental.
Oh, that I remember that happened like 2 weeks ago. But then
Right, kid.
Priory Road.
the thing is that it actually passed my crouch kind of stuff. So I had, yeah, it goes like that way. You know where crouch end is. And then after that, it goes up before the roadworks.
Wait, did everyone leave?
When the roadworks finish, it went to the top of the hill and it goes back down. Yeah, it connects back up after the top of the hill, like after crouch end and after the top of the hill. And it goes down. That's where these two connect.
Don't tell anyone.
Really? I know there's one
Like it's London.
41. One of the buses, it goes like my crouch end and it stops right next to the clock tower. It looks like further back.
There's 2 buses. It's literally a W7 and then a W8.
Hopefully it doesn't mean
I've walked home.
I know, probably will.
Like actually, I've walked home from school and not had a single W7.
You know how people are like not yeah?
Yeah, I'm at one of the women.
Yeah, I only
one
saw
of the
3
people on the bus stop next to me.
Huh?
Next to me.
I only told 3
said
people
I
at
went
first.
30 minutes and I walked and yeah.
That's spread it.
That's really bad.
Oh yeah.
It was like today or yesterday?
like
Right now.
half an hour ago.
W7
Exactly.
to
Yeah.
Finsbury Park.
That is mental. Oh yeah, the fact that Gosners and Yaku basically means if it was like our class, it probably would have gone that far. Your
I don't know because you got road.
oh, yeah, Roman doesn't.
Swansea Central Health Centre.
Yeah. Wait, Jeff said to be. What's that even?
The top one.
Who else is in that set? I swear. Who else is in that set?
Like all the girls.
What
Apart
about
from like the slow ones. And then boys in top set, like their top set, it's like the fast ones.
no? Milo's in set 1 for finals. You know. I'm Mark. You know. Yeah, you know Mark.
Maybe your like bank is just like
No, because can't
W7 to Finsbury Park.
and he's important.
yeah, it's the bonds. You have to do it with yeah.
Yeah, I was in bottom set far. And my parents they emailed. And were like, she's not being bottom set.
It's never that simple. But
I
exactly.
know, but I only have one friend in that and I hate her. And like we're not friends anymore.
Yeah.
So like they're all secret.
Yeah. Exactly. What was it, Maps?
Probably. Yeah, he is.
Who's in set 1? Is it?
Like, Dylan,
Casper?
yeah, Preston and myself.
Oh.
I don't know. I know, like, my friends, but I don't know if you.
I know Dylan. I W7. I bet you know.
To Natchez.
Finsbury
I know
Park.
Natchez. Yeah. There is.
It's Robin England.
No, the gold room.
Yeah.
What about you? Is your gold?
No, I'm in set 2. The set 3 students, like, it just makes sense. Like Roman, Freddie, Rupert, Gertie, my body.
Even in year 7, you know how we did in class? Roman was in a separate class to us for math.
No shot.
He was in like the class of people that can't speak English.
No way. Right. Roman was never that good. Oh, if he puts himself to it, I think Kite could be quite smart. Still.
Broadway.
That is mental. Oh, I said that you don't learn anything. Set 3 so people just like finished.
Yeah, in my ranks, it's like Connor.
Oh,
And
yeah.
he basically like disrupts the whole house with my friends in it. And yeah, she says that they don't like
No, as in set 3 Y back is the most cooked set ever. Right. That set is absolutely finished.
Yeah, but the teacher in my guy is Mr. Heyman.
Right.
And Connor says that he's like kind
W7 to Finsbury Park. Edison Road.
Yeah.
W7 to Finsbury Park.
There's so many things to do. With basic and meet up.
Well, yeah, I seen work.
Hornsey Lane. W7 to Finsbury Park.
Like, thinking about these names. Like,
W7 to Finsbury Park.
It could be like Leah.
It was just one train that just went down the entire line, just like a ski lift.
Hornsey Road, Hanley Road.
When did you say it was just
So now it's been a really bad day, but for no reason. It's like 30 minutes, 20 feet. It's like, what the hell's going on here? And then Els proceed to not get on the train. Yeah, exactly.
W7 to Finsbury Park.
I'm not sure really. I guess they just ran out of regular numbers to use. Started adding letters. Like most of the W's are up around this area. I can name the W7 or 3. But I'm not seeing any news around. Because if it's got N at the start, it's fine.
Alvington Street. Granville Station, Hanley Road. Albert Road.
The Tesco.
Yeah.
W7 to Finsbury Park. Tollington Park. Finsbury Park. Finsbury Park Station.
So there's your first tour. Edinburgh, Glasgow.
That's always very
Edinburgh.
good.